Hello everyone, I am Devabrata Das.
And I'm Shyam Mohanty.
We are both from DAV Public School Unit in Bhubaneswar, Odisha.
As it was said by the father of Green Revolution, Mr. M.S. Swaminathan, that India as a nation would not perish without a single farmer.
We have observed that farmers face significant challenges after post-harvest. Crops like maize, rice and beans, which are highly moisture, approximately 40% to 60% are wasted. This leads to
Significant losses, health risk, distress sale, and weather dependencies.
There are some old solutions that do not work for farmers, like the traditional sun drying method. It's slow, unhygienic, and unreliable during adverse weather. Here, the crops get mixed with animal droppings, dirt, and dust.
The factory dryers at industrial levels are huge, expensive, and cost a fortune. These are the machines used by the big corporations, and they are way too complicated for
Small
the
farmers are stuck.
They either risk losing their harvest to the weather or sell it almost for nothing.
Now let's see the innovative solution, the AgriFlow. It's compact, smart and affordable dryer which is especially for the rural farmers. It combines mechanical efficiency with intelligent moisture control. Here, the wet crops, which are approximately from 40 to 60% moisture, are fed into the crop inlet, which is in the bottom left of the mechanism. There would be a screw conveyor, which would lift off through the two vertical passes. As the crop tumbles upwards, hot air would come from solar energy or electricity, which would enter through hot air inlets, rapidly reducing the moisture. After that, there will be smart moisture control, which would detect the moisture of the crops. As it is a cyclic process, it would reduce the drying till the crop is dry. This is our proposed project, the AgriFlow. There are two screw conveyors here. The output of the first screw conveyor is the input of the second screw conveyor and vice versa. Here, if we feed, this cyclic process would continue until the grain's desired dryness level would be achieved. Here, I am putting the moist paddy grains. So now, let's see what happens. Now we can see what's the output. The dried grains have come into the output inlet.
See the drive?
Now we can see the dried crop from the moist paddy grains to the dry paddy grains. Now let's see the mechanism of this tool. As this is a screw conveyor, there are two hot air inlets. This is a feeder. The crops would be feeded here. As this is a screw conveyor, the grains would rotate. From the hot air, the grains would be exposed to it and it would dry. And thus the cyclic process would go on until the dryness level is reached. The transformative benefits of the AgriFlow are as follows. It increases income and dramatically reduces the post-harvest losses.
It ensures food security and prioritizes your health.
It enables drying regardless of weather and protects harvest from rain and humidity. It offers high quality produce.
It is affordable and accessible.
It's user friendly and has an intelligent user model which is of auto sensor.
It is very sustainable.
It can utilize farm waste as fuel and reduces the operational costs. Thank you.